Yesterday you heard me say this. I know that the power steering fluid's never been changed because it's been in my family since new. And then subsequently this. So I think what I would have to actually do is do this entire process again. So I'm always looking for ways of doing it a bit differently or better. So I started watching a Scotty Kilmer video and he said,
you can just do it yourself with a turkey baster, suck it out of the reservoir and drive around the block and then suck it out again and change the fluid 5 or 6 times in a row like that and you'll get most of the dirty stuff out.
Ta-da. So in order to try and keep this as scientifical as possible, I've also got these shot glasses. So every time I take it out, I'm going to take a sample and put it to the side. And we'll see if the colour changes. Alright, here goes number 1. And then goes some fresh. Now, one thing I could see about this method either being a blessing or a curse is the fact that it doesn't require much technical knowledge in order to get it done. We're not getting under the car, we're not running the pump, and we're not getting our hands dirty either, we're just sucking it out with a turkey baster. Having said that though, it does take a lot longer. About half an hour in, I was pretty much done in the previous video where we actually dropped the fluid out using the pump. This time, no dice, we gotta top it up, take it for a spin, and it takes a while. So, we have some results. It turns out the Scotty's not full of shit after all. There is a noticeable difference in the colour between the 3 samples. There's the first, the 6th, and the control, which is cherry red. Probably a lot of it has to do with the fact that I haven't changed the power steering fluid in 114,000 miles, 18 years. But there you go, I think the results speak for themselves. There is a noticeable difference. So thank you for watching.
You